Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make copycat Disney Dole Whip. I found a few different recipes online and I'm really excited to try them out. With Disney being closed, you gotta bring the Disney to your house. So I will link this recipe down below, taste test it, and let you guys know if I thought it was pretty good. So first what you need is vanilla ice cream. It calls for 1 large scoop of vanilla ice cream. And then it says to do 2 cups of pineapple. I just got these from Dole. They're canned pineapple. And you can also add in 4 ounces of pineapple juice, but I didn't get that. So we shall see how this turns out. And of course you put it all in your blender and blend it up kind of like a smoothie slushy consistency. So this is how it turned out. I ended up adding about 2.5 cups of ice because I didn't want it to be like very mushy. I wanted it to be more like frozen, slushy, kind of like an icy. And so it looks really good and smooth and creamy with a little bit of an icy tint to it. I did use the smoothie option on my blender. This is pretty good. I would say if you want it to be sweeter, to use more ice cream than what I used, because it's definitely very pineapple, because it definitely tastes like very much like a pineapple. So if you want it to be sweeter, definitely add more ice cream in. But I think it's pretty good and it's a pretty close duplicate to what you're actually getting at Disney. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of these for people in my family and see what they think. If it tastes like Dole Whip or if it's kind of just like a pineapple smoothie. So this wraps up my Disney copycat Dole Whip recipe. Like I said before, I'll have the recipe linked down below if you want to try it. It's really good. I would add a little bit more ice cream than what I did the first time, and also add like 2.5 cups of ice to this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll subscribe if you found this interesting, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.